Just this past summer, I closed my clinical practice and decided to launch a whole new endeavor called A Wise Woman's Guide to Men in Marriage. Now, a lot of folks out there think that I'm saying I'm the wise woman. And although I have some wisdom, that's actually not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is I'm the guide to the wise woman, and the wise woman is you. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So I really value what you have to say. I value your experience. I know the struggles that you're having because I've been there too. My parents split up before I turned 3 years old, and I didn't see my dad for 37 years. If that doesn't leave you confused about men, I don't know what does. Then I married at 18, had 3 sons, and ended up divorced. 3 sons. I had to figure out guys. So I know what it's like to not know which way is up, to try to figure out how do you create a better life. And what I did was I started studying men. I went to college, I went to grad school, and I worked in counseling with men for more than 20 years. Oftentimes men and their wives, sometimes just the wives. So I've had lots of experience in the area of relationships. And what I've learned is that the woman has far more power than she realizes she does to change a situation. But she needs to have 3 qualities. The first thing is that she needs to be brave. She needs to be brave enough to want to learn the truth about what relationships look like and what a man's experience is, particularly her experience, or his experience of her in their relationship. That's hard to hear, and most men won't tell their wives what the experience is like. I know, because I've been listening to men talk about their hopes and their fears for more than 20 years. So trust me, when I tell you this is what the guy's experiencing, there's like a 99% chance that I'm right in telling you what it's like for him. Nobody else is going to tell you that. He's certainly not. He doesn't want to hurt your feelings, and he doesn't want to make you angry. So he keeps his pain to himself and leads a life of quiet desperation. That quote is a famous one and one that really fits here. But it takes a brave woman to be able to look at what is his experience, how does he experience me, and what things have I believed about him that just aren't true. Incredibly important to be brave enough to seek the truth about who a man is. The second thing that a woman needs as a wise woman is she needs confidence. She needs the confidence to put into practice, in other words, to experiment with the things that she learns about men. I'm really very big on giving practical advice. Try this and then let me know what happens. But it takes a confident woman to step out and actually do that. If you're timid about it, you won't try. But if you have that confidence, you'll try it. And if it doesn't work, then it doesn't work and you move on to the next strategy. And that's why I'm here as a coach, to help you figure out what that next strategy is going to be. Lots and lots of information available on my website, and lots of information available here on YouTube as well. So I hope you'll stay tuned to gain that confidence that you need. So you've got the knowledge and the confidence, and then the last part, well, probably not the definitive part, but certainly very, very important, is the third quality that a wise woman has, is that she's focused on goodness. She's focused on receiving goodness from her Creator. She's also focused on creating goodness in her life. That is, she doesn't get caught up in that negative stuff. Instead, she dwells on things that are good and right and pure, and she brings goodness to everyone she encounters. That doesn't mean she's always happy and she's always upbeat. It means that her bottom line goal is, where can I find the good and multiply the good in my own life, in my own relationships, in my family, in the world. Incredibly important to have. I want to give you as much practical advice as I can. I want to encourage you. That's the whole reason I started A Wise Woman's Guide. And you can actually get a lot of information. I'm posting 1 to 2 times per week on YouTube, but also on my website, on my blog. So I invite you to go there. I'll put the link below. It's awisewomansguide.com, and check out the articles that are in there. They have some practical tips as well as some encouragement. And you can learn how to be brave, confident, and focused as you follow along with me on this journey. So if you have any questions, let me know. And be sure to make comments on the blog. I welcome your feedback. Make comments here on YouTube. That's what I'm here for. It's my passion. Take care, and I'll see you soon.